Locking screws on PCBs and small 3C parts, still done by hand, one at a time. Missed screws, stripped threads, floating heads, and skilled hands ever harder to hire. Sound familiar? Manual locking hits 3 traps. Missed or extra screws, counted by eye, and tired eyes slip. Torque by feel. Too tight strips the thread, too loose works loose. And locking before the screw seats leaves the head floating high. Rework or scrap. This line pairs a robot with a servo-electric driver to make locking unmanned. Compact, fast, built for small 3C parts. Repeatability down to plus-minus 0.02 millimeters, so every screw lands on the same spot. Step 1. Automatic blow feed. A vibratory bowl sorts the screws and air blows each to the bit. No manual pick, single screw delivery in about a second, killing missed and extra screws at the source. Step 2. Torque closed loop locking. The servo driver tracks torque and angle in real time and stops at the set value. Strip and slack caught at the station. Every screw's curve logged and traceable one by one. Step 3. Vision check plus mistake proofing. Vision finds the holes before locking and verifies after, seated or floating. Any miss or float triggers an alarm and reject, so no defective board passes downstream. Results speak. Cadence holds around 1.2 seconds per screw, one station replacing 2 to 3 skilled operators. Consistency maxed out, the 3 defects, miss, strip, float, near zero, and yield stays above 99%. Changeover is easy too. Edit the program, tune the torque, swap the bit, and a new model runs the same day. Small batches and mixed models with ease. Turning 3C screw locking into an unmanned, traceable, error-proof standard process. This is EVST. We make line automation real.